Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anique here on this channel, and today we are going to be doing the July budget closeout. Oh y'all, I know it's the 1st of July. I said the July budget closeout, didn't I? I lied, y'all. The June budget closeout. It's the 1st of July, and so we are seeing how we did, what we did, and baby, if we took a L or a dub, and I'm telling you right now. So for June, child, ooh, when I tell you this month whooped my butt, I'm telling you it whooped my butt. But it's okay. It's okay. So, for June, in the income sources, I have salary, which was $3,800. It actually was a total of $3,951.43. Ooh, 0.43. Then I had B-Day money that came into me from my family. However, I sent that money, I used that money on my friend's baby shower, because you know it's a little baby that's being born. So that was a total of $24.52. That was what was left over after I spent on the baby. From my savings account, because I used my savings to pay off my girl. Who this? Okay, hold on. I'll put my phone on solid now. From my savings account, I used this to pay off my Lowe's credit card, y'all. I sure did, because I just couldn't handle the fact that I had to pay two different payments. No, not $733. See, I'm even making mistakes. $755.46. Okay, and then in other, because I just found money somewhere, I found $41. So child, I don't even know what's happening, but that's what actually all the money that I had for this month. And so that came up to a total of $4,772.41. Okay, so all of these, majority of these remain the same. So in actuality, for my mortgage, I did $1,410.72, like I showed you guys. My car payment, I don't know why it was $1,416, but it was $401.16. I didn't even realize that. For my Navy Federal payment, y'all, I made $1,482.38. But guys, I just want to let you guys know, all the miscellaneous payments on all the miscellaneous things went on the credit card. So, and I calculated it, child. It was over $1,000 of miscellaneous things that I spent. I know, not the cutest at all. So that was that. I sent $769.11 to Lowe's, and that is including that $13.65 late fee that I showed you guys. My electricity bill came up to $79.12, so not the $120 that I was expecting. My water came up to $60.70, so not the $75. My internet, she was up though. She came up to $98.38. My HOA came up to $100 because I include that that $50 that I was back on. $66.73 for my pest control. $53.91 for my ADT security. My dad was supposed to get $200. I only sent him $100 this month. Driven Elite got $25. Crunch, they got $59.94 because I closed out that account, so I don't go there anymore. Patreon gets $18.55. Oh child, whoo, I was like $18.55 and $8.55, am I wrong? But it's right, y'all. AppleCare gets $8.55, and then Apple One gets $24.41. And so that all of these comes up to a total of $39.56.34. Okay, and then we're gonna move down to the final portions. So my cash envelopes, they came up to a total of $666.07. My sinking funds came up to a total of $150. I had no emergency fund. I had no saving challenges, y'all. Nothing. So my actual for savings for my budget binders was $816.07. So my income source of $4772.41. Then my expenses was $3956.34. And then my budget binders was $816.07. I'm not gonna lie, I think I should be off by like 16 cents. And that's just because I think I should be off by like 16 cents. Ooh. And that's just because of the car payment that was there. So it's $4772.41 minus $3956.34 minus $816.07. Oh no, I calculated right. Oh, I calculated right, y'all. So that leaves this of zero and everything's correct. Ooh, look at me calculating right. Okay, girl. All right, so this closes out my June budget, y'all. So this closed out my June budget, you know, for all the things. So the last thing I want to go over is basically what is my updated. Okay, y'all, my camera stopped for whatever reason, but the last thing I want to go over with you guys is what now is my total debt that I currently have. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit. Okay, so this is where, ooh, stop shaking. This is where we're at. So we went over a monthly budget, closed that out. We went over all the expenses. So right now we're gonna do my current balance on all of my debts to see where we're at on everything. Okay, so the first one is Lowe's, and I started off Lowe's with $755.46. I made $755.46 payment. So now Lowe's has a current balance of $0.00. Number two is Navy Fed. I started off with $6,048.46. I made payments on this, but I also used it. So now my current balance on this is $6,560.80. I know, the up of it all. I was out here wild, and I told y'all June is not cute for me. June is not cute for me. My car loan, we started off the month with $13,626.00, and now my car loan's balance is $13,626.00. Y'all must be confused because the payment was there. Here's the thing. I made this payment, like, I think before June started. So all my expenses that I counted was from June 1st moving forward. So I did pay my car note for the month because I think mine is like mid-month to mid-month. So I did pay my bill within time just for the month that it was paid in. It was May and not June. So it's still the same, hasn't changed, and that's okay. My mortgage, we started off with my mortgage at $206,633.24. Ooh, that's so loud when you say it. So much when you say it out loud. And now I have a balance of $206,226.49. You guys must be like, but girl, you pay like $1,400. I know, child. Escrow, taxes, interest. That's all I'm gonna say. escrow, taxes, interest. That's it, child. And that, if you don't know, or if you do know, that's where all of my majority of that money goes to. About only $400 really goes to paying down on my mortgage, like for real. So right now the total that I have in debt is $226,413.29. Okay, so this right here is my total debt balance currently, guys. I know a whole lot of didn't move down a lot, but she moved. So now we're gonna basically update the board, get the numbers, and then we are gonna close out.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice.
Alright guys, so this is my current balance of $226,413.29. This is what we're moving into July with in our budget. Super excited. We got plans for this month, y'all. We got plans for this month. So I know doing this video was low-key depressing, child, because girl, just all the money and all the things and all the stupidity that is shown. Full transparency, guys. But we're making moves, okay? So I didn't go down a lot, but I went down enough that I went from 227 to 226. So I'll take it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was insightful, helpful, give you guys perspective, you know, because yeah, your girl is starting over in the budgeting thing again. And so with that, you know, shows you my L's, my losses, my dubs, all of the above. And so yeah, hopefully we can all be on this journey and we can get this debt paid down. Y'all, if I pay off my credit card and my car, oh, I'm be super excited, super happy. Those are my two main things that I want to get over. So of course this month we are attacking mainly our credit card because we're going to get that down. You know, we're doing the snowball method. But if we can get down both of those paid off, boy, I'm gonna be out here. I'm gonna be out here. I know what I'm be out here doing, but I'm gonna be out here, okay? So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, so it can, you know, push out to the YouTube algorithm to help your girl out, to promote the channel. And I will see you in the next video, which I believe is on Monday, which is gonna be super fire, because baby, I recorded it and I don't know about you, but if you love me as an energy queen, I'm out here repping for you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.